Wow, hooray! Amazing for assembled cars. Oh, amazing realistic design and die assembled to us. Wow, let's go. At first, wow, BD Deepon. Oh, sorry, DB Deepon truck. Sky and white color combination. Amazing design. Wow, amazing wheel system. Black and orange color combination wheels. Wow, front look amazing. Guys, this toy die assembled. ठीक है सर, तो let's go. At first time, screw. Wow, toy screw. Wow, amazing guys. Assembled toy screw. To guess the toys and set screw. Wow, amazing. So guys, assembled start now. A realistic door. Wow, guys, amazing realistic door, guys. Wow, amazing. Okay, very realistic design. Wow. At first assemble. Woohoo. Wow, this tool sense, guys. This tool. Wow. Wow. Haha, hooray. So guys, this vehicle. Haha, hooray. And the next. Wow, amazing scooty. Amazing kangaroo scooty. Kangaroo sticker gets amazing. Black yellow combination, a realistic design. Oh, amazing front look. Oh, amazing kangaroo scooty toys vehicle. Wow. So guys, this assembled screw chains. Hehe. Wow. Haha. Hehe. Wow, amazing box guys. And part to part change system position. 1 2 3 position. Wow. Wow, hooray. Amazing system guys. Oh. And 3 number three, China Post car. Wow, green, black, silver color, yellow color combination design. Wow, amazing. Uh, let's cut open now. Catch made in uh, China Post. Wow. Hoo-hoo. And দ্বিতীয় screw. Ooh, unlock. Ooh, hooray guys. Wow. Amazing. Amazing driver seat guys. Amazing driver seat. And box realistic design. Wow, hooray. Amazing design. Haha. And number 4. Wow, guys, DJ Logistic. Wow, realistic door. Wow. Realistic door. Wow, guys, amazing and realistic door. Wow. Beep beep. Wow. Wheel guys, front look. Wow, really amazing. Let's go assembled. Let's go assembled. At first, এইটা wow. Woohoo. So guys, position 1 2 3 4 5 6 sector by sector. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much. Ta-ta.